everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at springtime dresses, and actually some of these fabulous dresses I got will take us well into summer. So I've asked Bethany to put together a broad spectrum of dresses that can be used from a simple and casual crawfish all the way to a night out, or something more elegant as in graduation ceremony or a Mother's Day celebration. For this very first look, we are going with the super popular Barbiecore pink, and I just love how elegant this dress is. It is perfect for a classic orchestra, which we have one to go to this spring, as well as an evening graduation party. Two outings, different groups, and I think it looks adorable, along with this gorgeous dress which has these lovely pleats. She sent these super fun earrings in silver diamond-ish, which is perfect with my hair. And I am pairing them with my silver high heels and my gold and silver clutch. For a nighttime look, I will be putting on my silver jacket. Let's take a look. The length is perfect. It has a quite daring slip on the side. I would probably tuck it down here. I don't need that much of an opening. Very classic. I just realized I didn't do my nails today. This neck cut with the short sleeve lends itself beautifully with the 3/4 sleeve jacket. So Bethany said that if you want minimal effort for maximum impact, select a dress. Smart move. All right, guys, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm crazy about crawfish, and crawfish season has started already. So crawfish boils are happening all over the neighborhood. So much fun. And this is the perfect outfit for it. A dress, a very light dress that wraps. I love how you can just tie that wrap around your waist so nobody can see the messes you've made when you were eating. And just for a little touch of character, this little tasseled bandana, how cute is that? I chose to pair it with my Rachel Zoe pochette, which, you know, some people can use it around the waist, but I just use it either on the side as a crossbody. And these little cheap Hermes look-alike shoes that I got on Amazon. They're fantastic quality. I actually have from a different brand, but golden ones as well. So cute. This dress is simple, nice, very lightweight. You can wear it all through spring and summer. Today it's in the 60s here. So if the crawfish boil were today, I would probably wear a little jean jacket over it, which I will show to you. This is the perfect outfit for watching fireworks on July 4th as well. So I am dipping into summer with this dress. Take a look. So my spring garden has started to bloom. I am so excited about it. And nothing super fancy, very simple, but yet elegant. So I just put it in a little jar. Some nasturtium leaves and nasturtium flowers. These are cilantro, very first cosmos, and it will open. And I'm hoping that I cut it late enough that these other two will bloom as well. I have some dill, an asparagus frond, and some mint back here. Oh, and also snap peas. And the lovely thing about this is the snap peas will grow and actually get bigger as the days go along. One of the best things to do if you have a collection of flowers and you want to make a bouquet, don't just go out there and cut it and put the bouquet together. Cut the flowers, let them hydrate overnight, and they will just perk up. So in my case, I didn't want to do that this morning, so things are not looking their very best. But by tomorrow, everything will be super hydrated and perky and beautiful, and my bouquet will be much more vibrant. That's the trick for today. These two are gonna be for Easter brunch. Now, for Mother's Day, she sent me a couple of floral dresses. This one, which is my signature color, I'm keeping it, I think. I haven't looked at the price yet. And another more bold floral number. This is so lovely. I love the softness of the fabric, the drama of the earrings, and this is my favorite color, so definitely something I can wear through the summer. And yeah, I'm supposed to be wearing high nude heels, and I just went with my espadrille because that's what I have, and the basket purse that has been around forever. It doesn't go out of style. I have one of my viewers that says that she's been wearing her since the 70s. So there you go. This is a great dress to wear all through summer. I'm going to Brazil for summer, so I think this is such a pretty outfit. You know, with the fringe, it reminds me of the native jewelry that they make. And this is the bolder version for the Easter dress. And it's just a lovely dress. However, I'm home by myself and I can't button it up on the back or zip it up all the way. And also I would have to wear different undergarments for it, but it is a lovely dress and I'll try my best to show it in its best light. It is a maxi and it is lined. Okay, so for the Mother's Day collection, so Bethany says that she has selected for Mother's Day a dress up and a dress down option. This white wrap dress with flutter sleeves is easy, flowy, and comfy, and it really is. And the purpose of the wrap dress is all about celebrating the female form. It does. It snugs you just in the right spots. The color block knit, which is next, is for the casual mom who knows comfort doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. Now this is the adult only outfit for an evening out when we go eat with friends or maybe a special date on spring break. My kids are teenagers. They can fend for themselves while my husband and I go on a date. This beautiful dark green, it's like a army green color. I love it. Top. It's very thick, so it just falls beautifully on your silhouette. The skirt, I never thought I would be able to wear a pencil skirt. It has that super long pencil skirt look with a gathering on the side. And I think it makes a world of difference to my silhouette. It looks really nice. Now I'm wearing these with booties because I really didn't have any high heels. She just let me choose whatever. But I think you can dress it up a little bit more if you have dressier high heels to go with this fabulous chain necklace. I think this is a fun outfit and very comfortable. If you're not familiar with Front Door Fashion, they are a stylist group out of Dallas that put together the most beautiful outfit, and there is a real close relationship between the client and the stylist. You are assigned one specific stylist and that's your person. Of course, you can choose to change, but unlike other styling services, you have a personal relationship with your stylist and the communication is instantaneous. You can text them, you can email them, and just make sure that everything that you want for that specific box will be just right for you. I have only had a fantastic experience with them. If you find that you're interested in using front door fashion, you can use my code in the description. That code will give you $50 off your first purchase. And they're simply my favorite styling service, bar none.